is happening right now?
Welcome back. Here you go. This is we're getting American today.
Okay. We're gonna show our patriotism.
Yeah.
I think that's fine.
Yeah. I think it's fine.
Get your helmet on. Let's drag race.
Okay.
Oh, this is funny. Dude, look at you. This is what happens at the end of the day. So it's been bugging me. I want to know. That thing is faster than that thing. And all you internet drag racers are going to talk shit about this guy because he's a little bit less skilled on the launch than I am. But I'm going to let him get the launch, and then we're going to go from there. He's got a cape. It should make him faster, I think, right?
Yeah, definitely going to be cruising.
Just let it warm up. Go park down there like where Drew is, and we'll just zoom by you guys.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
This thing's freaking ripped.
The YZ's fast.
That YZ is
It's
fast.
got little tires on it. That other one should be faster, but man, that YZ just rips.
Yeah, he had a nose on you.
So funny.
He's just having a fun old time on that thing.
He goes by. She's fast, babe. She's fast. Oh yeah.
It's like choking.
Hey, let's go park up front. We'll park them side by side. We'll just go walk around comparing both of them. Man, these things fucking rip. What do you think, Alex?
Those certified rippers.
Do you think the cops are gonna come? I don't think so. Nobody
Everyone that drove by gave us a thumbs up.
Everybody gives us a thumbs up. Nobody gives a shit around here. It's awesome.
We're on a private road anyways.
Yeah, it is a private road, and we do what we want here. Riding by professionals. Do not do this at home, guys. So I put these two side by side. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I want to show you guys, I guess, a comparison. These are two completely different builds. One's a cross-country build for trails and ground clearance. The other one is lowered down. It's really made for like motocross, but our customer is going to be basically riding everything with it. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. So this guy here, biggest thing is the fact it's electric start. It's got oil injection. It's fuel injected. It's got big tires, lots of ground clearance, super comfy, very soft suspension. Now the YZ over here, this thing is lower. It's got smaller tires. You got to mix your gas like a man. You got to kickstart it like a man. All the fun things like a man, right?
Yeah.
Like this guy right here, got the Cape flag. Cape flag. I think that's what you call it.
Yeah. Cape flag.
Yeah, what'd you think of it though, honestly? Because I haven't even rode it hard yet.
Oh, this is fast, like super
Fast for what it is.
Yeah.
And you can just tell that this is literally a motocross bike versus a trail bike. That thing, I could tweak the power valve. We could definitely get the thing where that probably is faster than this, but right now, they're pretty damn close, but this one is definitely pulling on it.
Basically stock for stock.
Yeah, literally, stock for stock. Stock pipe on both of them. Other than, this has the stock intake. That one's got our intake on it. But I can tell you just from personal experience, the KTM 300. KTM 300 does feel a little bit slower compared to this one. Yeah, just want to show you guys side by side. Small tire versus big tire. Very similar. But completely different at the same time. There goes Drew. Bye, Drew. Bye for now. Bye for now. Yeah, this thing's sick for sure. Got anything else to add, Alex? I'm running out of shit to say. It's the end of the day. It's like our third video today.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
All right, guys.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Uncle Eddie, I know you're watching. We're gonna get you your plow parts.
It's
Where,
right there.
are they over there?
Yeah, behind the pallet.
Tell them to watch this video. So Alex and I wrestled with my truck, mostly Alex. Yeah, we got all your plow stuff, got your wiring. It's all set to go.
Only one bolt popping for an hour. It's fine.
One bolt?
One bolt popping for an hour. It's fine.
Yeah, it's
I got it.
So yeah, that's going on this little baby pallet right here. Can you say baby?
Baby?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, we got a very tiny pallet right here. It's all going on there. And it's shipping out hopefully tomorrow. So thank you for being patient.